We are talking about the successful people them now. I'm Musky Specs, so we represent for Risa Talk Show, the baddest live on earth.
Hi guys, welcome to Risa's Corner. Anyway you're there right now, Risa's Corner is the place to be. Alright, so tonight we're going to be looking at the unbelievable. Well, it's unbelievable to me. I don't know about you, but this is like unbelievable. So there's a lady, she found a big snake egg in a pit and she's gonna cook these eggs with chili. So the video is gonna show you when she's in the woods, she's getting the eggs and all of those things. So people, anyway they come look at quick, buckle up your seatbelt and let's go. All right. Me not like snake, you know. I know so some people might like snake, which I find very odd, but no, but the snake look like it come through the front door. Then me for stay right there, so shall eat. But well, and I first see somebody eat leaf still because I guess as it relates to health and them something there, who knows? Don't you find the egg them? No, sir. In the first place, you not get me good as so. They love no money. Oh, me. Look at myself going to them place there. But then if you do, why so me just snake it outside, don't you say? Alright. Just run with the egg them now and running out. In the woods, have to find food any and everywhere. No need to fix my face. She have to run, you know. She wash up the things then. Well, at least she wash it before she use it. Ingredients are come together. Boy, I imagine myself. Boy, I wonder how that tastes. Comment below and tell me if you would try that or if you have tried that. Comment below. Sauce and make with a little garlic, you know. Oh, sauce and make. Can't stay there. She make up our sauce. I know, like it's scary, but fascinating, but scary. I mean, I wonder how it tastes. I don't know. Watch finish meal. She enjoy her meal, you know. I don't know. Like, it's scary. See you guys again for another unbelievable video right over Risa Corner, Risa's Talk Show Live. Please to follow me on Instagram at Risa's Talk Show Live. And of course, I'll be doing interviews. Look out for them. We have a lot of interviews coming your way every day. Amazing progress!
We are talking about the successful people them now. I'm Musky Specs, so we represent for Risa Talk Show, the